Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Legion. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay, select account, and tap Get Started. Now, as you can see from here, you can add payment method and different types of cards. Also, if you go here, you got access to all of your payment methods. You can check full list of participating banks. And your activity. Next, in settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end, access to our Google accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.